Hey there, it's Christina. If you've ever launched a Facebook ad hoping for enrollments and ended up with crickets, you're in good company. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 top mistakes I see home daycare providers as well as small center owners make in their Facebook advertising and how you can fix them today. So mistake number 1 is boosting instead of running a true lead ad. This is so common, you guys, because it is easier just to kind of click that boost button, pay Facebook $10, $20, $30, and then hope that you get results. But in reality, even though boosting is easy, the click boost post from your page, it's not strategic. So you're paying for reach, meaning Facebook is going to take your post and throw it out there and show it to more families, but it's not actively going to get you leads because that's not what you told it to do. You don't get to choose who sees it. So example, parents of daycares, parents that live nearby, or what action they take. So you're basically just, again, taking a piece of content, so a caption in a post, and you're just giving Facebook $10, $20 and saying, here you go, take it and show it to more people. How do you fix that? Well, I want you to use your Facebook Meta Ads Manager, and I want you to choose the objective of lead generation. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow Facebook and Instagram to go out and find you families that will fill out a form and give you their contact information, actual leads, not just people watching or just reading your post. So that's really, really important. Stop boosting and really just start running real, true ads, lead generation campaigns. Marketing mistake number 2 is poor targeting. So Facebook has had a lot of changes and its AI has been taking more control over campaigns inside of Ads Manager. And the way we target now is through the creative. It's not necessarily through the ad set, okay? So many centers target things like all parents or everyone in the town. What I usually do when I'm working with clients is I target locals that are living within, let's say, 20-mile radius of my client's physical location. And then after that, I narrow that down to parents that have children ages, let's say 1 to 5. And I exclude everybody else, okay? So Facebook knows to go local and to really target local families. And what I also do when it comes to targeting is I have to get real good and creative at using, let's say, graphics and videos and reels that we're creating to target, to do the targeting for us. Example, if I'm targeting local families living in Montreal that are looking for out-of-school care, that's exactly what my ad is going to show, like the actual graphic or video or reel, right? So that's also something to consider when you're putting these together. Don't really focus too much on the ad set level, but really do a better job at hooking locals in and doing the targeting with your creative. So creative, again, could be a graphic that you created. It could be a reel or even a promo video, okay? So that's also really, really important. And mistake number 3, no follow-up or a weak follow-up and just giving up way too quickly. This is something that really just boggles my mind because when we're paying for ads, we're investing our money and we want to get a return on investment. And it's so much easier to reach out to somebody one time and then say, well, that didn't work. They never called me back. They weren't a serious lead. Obviously, Facebook doesn't work. It's just a scam. But the reality is that Facebook actually did what you paid it to do. It went out. It showed your content to locals that you wanted to target. And then those locals that were ready to take that next step actually gave you their information inside a lead form. So Facebook actually did its job. It's up to you as the business owner now to go out and put like an amazing follow-up process in place that you can follow or your directors can follow, not giving up, let's say within the first or second day, like really following up. I suggest that you follow up with somebody twice a day until you get a response. And then if they don't respond, you just add them in your CRM and you just send them your newsletters after that, okay? So don't be too quick to kind of quit on your leads. You really want to be smart about this and to be strategic about this. And again, to have a strong follow-up process that actually gets people to say, yes, I did fill that up. Let me book a visit with you right now. So those are the 3 mistakes, and I think they're easy to fix. And if you are running ads especially, or if you're ready to invest in ads, I actually teach you all these things inside our school community. You can try it out for free for the 7 days. And then you can commit after that if it's something that you enjoy. Basically, it is a community where I help home daycare providers with their social media content. So we text out a caption and a graphic every single day, so you never have to worry about content ever again. And I also offer marketing help, Facebook ads training, and things like that. So if that's something that you think might be interesting to you, I will put the link in the show notes. You can check that out. If you're running a smaller center and you really just need somebody to do this for you, we also have packages that can help with that. I will put the link in the show notes. All you would have to do is set up a phone call with yours truly. We'll talk for 10-15 minutes, and then I'll share exactly how we can help, and then we'll take it from there. I hope that this episode blesses you and your business, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.